Well, we passed the inspection. We made it. So here we are on the job site. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. We started setting up about 2. Trucks started rolling in. This is our first truck right here. So we're so happy to be at this stage. Now we are pumping. So originally, like I said, we were in the 280 range of concrete. We've definitely got our butt kicked with these trenches. They're wider now from digging them out and mucking them out. So I'll let you know at the end of the night how much we ran over because of the weather. But we're here, man. We're going to get a good job out of it. Worked hard to be here. We're here. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. All right, man. Look at that. Look at that. Here we are. We are pumping. All right. Let's go up and take our famous look-see. If you're ever in the Houston area, I use Six Brothers Concrete Pumping. They do an awesome job. They got nice equipment, real nice. Do a real good job. I'm happy to be there. So check out our job. Woo! Y'all see that beam down there? Look. See that beam down there? Boy, look at that. That's money being dropped in the ground right there. Let's see if we can go down a little bit and take a look at it. Boy, look at that. Just as fast as you can dump your money in the ground, there it goes. Let's go up a little bit higher. When you're working with a pumper truck, you don't want anybody up under it. Keep all your men away from the truck. Something go wrong, that thing have a blowout, concrete falling from that distance will kill a man. Boy, look at there. Go down and check this out. There's the guys. Check that out. Listen to the sounds of the job. Y'all had to bear with me some. I'm not that good of a pilot. Here we're going to come up here and see this. Look at there, that's your money going in as quick as you can get it out of the truck. Just as quick as you can get it out of the truck. Come on over here. Check out that Six Brothers. Y'all bear with me for getting quiet. I'm not that kind of a pilot. Check it out. 6 brothers flat out and wide open. Concrete pumping. Days like this are fun when you get it to go together. Especially for as much as we went through on this job. Sights and sounds of the job site. Got a quick question for you today. When I spent around here, these people didn't know how lucky they were going to be to get a front row seat right outside their bedroom window. They get to watch all of this. Look, they got balconies, probably got cold drinks up there, you know, enjoying it, kick back. Probably got to be at work at 7 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. They may get a little bit more than they bargained for tonight. That's all right. They're gonna love the neighbors. Yeah. Later. All right, see right here, now we got the grade beam, now we're on the back ones. Go up here and check this out. Money right there. Check out the pumper truck. That's called flat out right there, buddy. I think we got a 48 meter here. I may be wrong, Joseph may correct me, but I think we got a 48 meter, and that's called flat out. See the guys sitting around? They won't jump into action until the concrete gets to the top of the form. Then you'll see them want to get on the vibrator, start going around vibrating. They know what they're doing. Ain't no doubt about it. They know what they're doing. That's some work right there. You do that all day long. That's some work. All right, we'll catch you for another video here in a minute. Here's the ticket. When the truck comes in, the man hangs it up there. That way at the end of the night, we all know what we got. The company knows what he delivered. I know what I got. You know, I'll keep a tab on this. You'll see this grow by a lot. See the truck still out there. Let's see. As this beast couldn't eat enough, we're gonna feed her more. There he goes. Look at that. Of them feeding. Moving along. Progress. What you got going on? Certain guys got certain roles. You got the guy that runs the hose. You got the guys back there on the vibrator. Got your laser set up here. See the gentleman right there. He's checking, make sure all the heights stay the same. Some form didn't get stepped on, been out of shape, some bolts or something like that. He's going along and he's making sure everything's up to par. Got the laser running right here. And he's reading it out there. Well worth paying. If there's something wrong, you know who to blame. Okay. But it's well worth paying, right? Start that check. You don't want to have to get done and then go back and bust out concrete and fix it. So okay, here we are. Let's go up and take a look, see what we got. All right. You can see we're over halfway. Look at there. Coming along, coming along. There goes one truck out, one waiting to come in. Rocking and rolling. Another thing about doing it at this time, traffic. You ever drove around the Houston traffic, you know what I mean. Traffic at this time of night is low, so your turnaround times are quick. We got another truck going to be backing into the picture here. Let's go over here and just check out, see what we got. There he is. Coming on down, coming on down. There's the guys working. Awesome. Okay, let's bring it on back. looky there. Alright, here we are. 240 in county. I'll keep you updated. As you can see, the sun's starting to come up. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on back down here. Getting ready to pour. See what we got left here. Clearly make it out now. Right now we've been pumping 3.5 hours. We got about 300 yards on the ground. Still got the back here to do. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Well, we made it. Concrete's in. Had to go home. Came up like 334 yards, but some reason for the last ticket I got says 304 yards. I think there was a mistake there. So the rain, it looked like it cost us an extra 50 yards. Sucks. That sucks. On top of all the labor that was put in there, $1,000 extra on the plastic, redoing it 4 times, the lime, 50 yards, you know, that's another $5,500 right there. That rain is costly. That rain cost. But you gotta hang in there to keep your reputation, keep people calling you, you know. So it came out, we're here, we got it. Now we'll clean up the forms and then we'll start on the parking lot. It's 3 times bigger than this slab. Moving on out with it. So appreciate everybody watching on that. For this video, it'll be over with. This will be the one night pour. See everybody on the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Help a boy out. Help somebody out here. Later. Waking up, folks. He got back in there, got that AC going, he kicked back. We caught him. Yeah. It's been a long night. That man's worked hard. Thanks.